of 26 and 27 placed by central government. It is totally full of sound and fury. Totally it's a directionless, visionless, missionless, actionless. Economy is derailed, anti-women, anti-poor, anti-farmers, anti-women, anti-youth, anti-communers, anti-SC, anti-ST, anti-OBC. Education funds, education subsidy declined, social security subsidy declined, fertilizer subsidy declines. It is totally garbage of lies and incompetent, Himalayan incompetence. Totally economy is derailed. Now, you will see within this time, the market falls sharply. Sensex down above over 1,100 points. Nifty 50 has been below 25,000. So you can realize there is a proverb in Bengali, chorer mayer boro gala, ইংরেজিতে বলে চোর কি মাই জোরসে বলে, mother of thieves are soundless, mother of thieves are soundless. Now, for Bengal, what they are giving? Nothing. Talking big. কিছু দেয়নি। যে ফ্রেট করিডোরের কথা বলেছে ডানকুনি থেকে, ওটা আমার রেলওয়ে বাজেটে 2009 I placed the budget. There you will see I have mentioned about Dankuni and Amritsar. That is not there pending about these 15 years. Number 2, regarding 3 corridors they announced. We have already announced 6 economic corridors. It will include Dankuni to Bardhaman, to Bakura, to Durgapur, to Purulia. Other is Kalyani to Bardhaman, Birbhum, Malda, Siliguri, Kuchbihar. Other we have announced 6 economic corridors which will cover throughout the country, throughout the state. A garbage of lies, blatant lies. It is already on process and we have started working there. And already we will see that in Jungle Mahal, Jungle Sundari project in Purulia, for this economic corridor, 72,000 crores are going to be invested. And already there are so many people. They are setting investment, they are setting their cement hub. Now Bengal has become cement hub, the coal hub, the leather hub, the skill hub, even the Amazon Flipkart, like this. All are doing business side of this Dankuni, Kalyani and other place. So it is already started. They have not given a single paisa to Bengal. Only one tax is there, GST. They are taking away our money and saying big talk. They are giving us money. It is our money. Now only one tax is there. What they are collecting from Bengal, they are not giving our full funds. Will get about more than 2 lakh crores from the central government. So they don't have any moral authority to run the government and to finish the country like this. They want to destroy the economic structure of the country, the constitutional structure of this country, the independent agency, including the infrastructural facilities, the economy, the social sector, the economic sector, the federal sector, all is being vanished. Only talking too much and less work. What they do, only they use some jugglery of words which cannot affect You have to give the advantage to the people, which common people can enjoy the facilities. সাধারণ মানুষের জন্য কিছু করেনি, তপশিলীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, আদিবাসীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, যুবকদের জন্য কিছু নেই, চাষিদের জন্য কিছু নেই, মহিলাদের জন্য কিছু নেই, ফার্টিলাইজার সাবসিডি বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, সামাজিক সুরক্ষায় কিছু নেই, শিক্ষা দপ্তরে কিছু নেই। আর যে তিনটে ফ্রেট করিডোরের কথা বলেছে, আমরা তিনটে নয় 6টা করছি সারা বাংলাকে জুড়ে। কাজেই টোটালটাই মিথ্যে কথার ফুলঝুরি, হামটি ডামটি বাজেট। In Bengal, that's why they are using SIR. If they have the guts, I will appeal them to contest us politically, democratically, instead of using the election commission and the agencies against the election. Haryana is lost because of this. Maharashtra is also lost because of this. Even other parts of the country also they are using the same method. I will tell them, if you have the guts, fight the battle politically. We are ready to fight in inch to inch. But Bengal will win, Tamil Nadu will win, Kerala will win, and Assam they will lose. Thank you so much. Yes, tomorrow 4 o'clock they have given us the time. We asked the official time.
So what is the agenda, ma'am? Will there be
I cannot tell you later before that. When we will meet, then after that we can make the case.
Madam, Parliament is underway. Are you also going to meet opposition parties to build a consensus against?
Please don't tell me all these things. I have some own program. Let me finish that. I am going to Delhi after so many months, I think maybe years. So my MPs are also there. So I am the chairman of the parliamentary committee. It is my duty to meet them also once. I'll meet the press media also. I'll brief them also what is going on in the name of SIR. How they want to finish the federal structure. All I'll mention.
Delhi থেকে বড়সড় আন্দোলনের পথে তৃণমূল। They have announced from Varanasi to Siliguri. They are saying it's going to be a high-speed train corridor.
भाई जो हमने कर दिया उसका बाद में तो कुछ नहीं हुआ। एंटी कॉल्यूशन डिवाइस भी मैंने कर दिया, फ्रेट कॉरिडोर भी इन माय टाइम आई हैव क्लियर्ड ऑल द प्रोजेक्ट। अभी कुछ नहीं है वाराणसी में जो है, जो डिज्नीलैंड बना रहा है। मैंने सुना है, मैंने देखा है कि काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर हमारा इतना गलत का जायगा है, उधर में आसपास में जो घाट वगैरह वगैरह जो है, जो बहुत सारी चीज है, लोकल लोगों को नहीं लेके बाहर से कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को लेके आके उधर में आमदनी कर रहा है। काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर का पास डिज्नीलैंड बना रहा है। तो इट विल बी क्लियर whether they love religions or not. Thank you.